we are going to cook some delicious food for our friend Dolly's birthday party. Here she is.
Oh, thank you, Sammy.
Sue will also help us today. Am I right?
Right, you are. Today we'll make a pizza, a fruit salad, some ice cream, and a cake, of course.
That's a lot of stuff. So what shall we start with? I'm so confused.
Everyone likes pizza, so let's start with it. We already have a base. What else?
Tomato sauce and some tasty toppings. We've got lettuce, mushrooms, onion, and pepper. All right, my professional opinion, this should be enough.
Great! Let's make tomato sauce then. It's fruit, by the way. And I always thought that tomatoes were veggies. I'm turning the blender on.
What? Tomato is a fruit? You've got to be kidding, Susie.
Now we'll add our sauce to the future pizza. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See? All of the pizza slices have some sauce on them. What should I add next? Let's see.
I know. It should be the cheese. Here it is. All yellow. And don't get greedy. Add a lot of it.
Okay.
Whoa, looks cool.
So, did I cover all the pizza slices?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep, you did great, Sue.
Now, let's take care of the toppings. I have some olives here. I think it's great to start with them. They're awesome! By the way, did you know that olives grow on trees?
Unbelievable! Right on a tree?
Here come the mushrooms. Look at this cute little buddy. Friends, do you know where you can find the mushrooms?
In the forest, of course. There are lots of them there.
Correct. What's next? It's a green bell pepper. We should be really careful when we cut stuff. And here's a special place for it.
Do you know what is missing, Sue? It's pepperoni. Yum! I can't wait to try this delicious pizza we're making.
We're not done yet, Sammy. We have some lettuce. It goes right in the middle. On the second thought, I really want to add more cheese. There we go. Great!
Yay! Now we can finally bake our pizza! Hurry up, Susan, and don't get burned!
That's right. The oven is really hot. We just need to wait a bit.
Sue, how much longer?
It's ready. Wow. Friends, just check out this delicious and bright pizza we made. Let me cut it with this special pizza knife.
One slice for me, please. Ooh, come to Papa.
And we're moving on.
Phew! It's got so hot in here with all the cooking.
That's why we'll make ice cream. It will help you cool down. I thought we had all the ingredients for it. Where did they go? Ah, here they are. Let's see what kind of fruit we have. A banana. And here comes an orange. A little green pear. A kiwi fruit, of course. And a strawberry. Awesome. Let's start with the banana. It is so yellow, like the sun. Next comes the green pear. It's green as grass on our lawn. And here's the kiwi fruit. It's also green with brown peel. This is a strawberry, so red and so sweet. And finally, the orange. Haha, did you get it?
To make an ice cream, we need to freeze all our fruit first. Hurry up, Sue. Put them here. Ooh, this is great. It will be tasty. I need to bring the scoop. Where was it? I'm sure it was here. Aha! Found it! Make way! Well, is it ready?
Let's see. Yep, our frozen fruit is ready to turn into delicious ice cream. I also need ice cubes.
I will help you! Bang!
Thank you, Sammy. Okay, here we go. Well, are you ready?
Of course! Let's turn it on!
Amazing, we did great. It smells so good. Where was that scoop?
And I've got this cone! Come on, put it here! Wow, so cool! This looks like the strawberry ice cream! I have to try it now!
I will also get one. It's so good. Sammy, it's time to bake the cake now. So friends, what do we need to make the cake? Sammy, any ideas?
Sure! Get ready to write it down, Sue! We need 1 egg, also butter, sugar, milk, and some flour and strawberries, of course!
Great recipe! Let's start with the egg. We definitely need to break the shell first. Whoa, it's so slimy and stretchy.
Next comes the butter. I already brought it. Here you go.
Thank you. And right into the bowl it goes. Done. What's next?
Flour. I've got the whole pack here.
Great.
Friends, did you know that flour is made from wheat?
Wow, right from the real wheat. And we make cakes from it later. How cool is that? Here goes some sugar to sweeten things up. The next ingredient is milk. It's purely organic. And who provides us with milk? Cows. I don't get it. Are we out of strawberries?
I hope she doesn't notice.
Sammy, give me that! Whoa, what a big strawberry! There we go! This should be enough for the cake! We can mix our batter now! It came out so fluffy! With such batter, we can make a soft and squishy cake!
Sue, we totally forgot about the cake decor! We totally need whipped cream!
That's right! Thanks for the reminder, Sammy! We'll put it on top!
All that's left is to bake the cake. It will happen in a flash. Sue, turn it on!
Oh, it's done! Oh, wow!
It is time for decorations!
Would you just look at these beautiful roses? Each has its own place on our cake. This comes to the side.
Sue, don't forget about the top layer.
Gotcha! I will add a cute candle too, so Dolly can make a wish. Wow, we made a really amazing cake together. Great job!
Sue, there's still not enough food. We have so many guests on the list. We need more appetizers for all of them.
Then it's time to make a fruit salad. It always saves the day. I have everything we need to make a nice fruit salad.
Wow, everything is so bright and colorful. I love it.
Let's start with watermelon. Where was it? Found it. Let's cut it in half. Here goes a piece, and here's another one. Banana is next. We need to cut it into pieces as well. Join your friend, watermelon.
Let's also add some kiwi fruit. It's tasty.
Agreed. We can cut it into 4 little pieces, like this. Now, friends, we need to find the dragon fruit. Can you spot it faster than me? You did it! Great job! Let's add it to our tasty salad right now!
Wow, this salad looks really amazing, Sue. I'm sure it's tasty too. And the guests are already here? That's fast! We have everything ready. No peeking, Dolly.
Okay.
So, are you ready to see your birthday surprise?
Oh my feta. There are so many delicious foods, even the ice cream, and also a real birthday cake. Unbelievable. Yay! You all are here too, girls. This is awesome.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
We did great. Everyone is happy. We're such a great team.
That's right. Thanks for cooking. today, friends. Subscribe to our channel